Do you ever feel like your dispatch board is a chaotic mess? A tangled web of missed calls and scribbled notes? Are you constantly battling the clock, trying to fit a square peg into a round hole when it comes to scheduling your technicians? So you're not alone. Many service businesses struggle with the critical task of appointment scheduling. It's the heartbeat of your operation, directly impacting customer satisfaction, technician efficiency, and ultimately your bottom line. Think about it. An inefficient scheduling process leads to wasted time, frustrated customers waiting around, and technicians driving across town for jobs that could have been optimized. On the flip side, a streamlined system means more jobs completed, happier customers, and a healthier profit margin. But how do you achieve that elusive efficiency, especially when you're dealing with multiple technicians, varying job types, and unexpected emergencies? Well, if you're a ServiceTitan user or considering becoming one, you're in luck. ServiceTitan isn't just a fancy CRM. It's a powerhouse for operational excellence, and its scheduling capabilities are a prime example. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into exactly how to schedule appointments in ServiceTitan. We'll walk through the entire process, from the initial customer call to dispatching your technician, ensuring you can master this essential function and transform your dispatch board from a headache into a well-oiled machine. Let's begin by understanding the foundational element of scheduling in ServiceTitan: the job. Every single service call, every installation, every maintenance check begins with the creation of a job. So, the first step is always to navigate to the dispatch board. You'll see a clear button, usually at the top, to Create Job. Click on that and you're off to the races. Now, the Create Job window is where you'll input all the critical information. It's designed to be intuitive, prompting you for key details. First and foremost, you'll need the customer's information. ServiceTitan is smart. As you start typing a customer's name or phone number, it will search your existing database. If they're a returning customer, great. All their previous service history will be readily available, which is invaluable for providing personalized service. If they're new, you'll simply add their details: name, address, phone number, and any other relevant contact information. Accurate customer information here prevents countless headaches down the line. Next, you'll define the job type. This is crucial. ServiceTitan allows you to customize your job types, from repair to maintenance to new installation. Selecting the correct job type helps categorize your work, assign appropriate pricing, and even trigger specific workflows or forms. For example, a tune-up might have a predefined checklist, while an emergency leak repair might prioritize immediate dispatch. Take a moment to consider what kind of service you're providing. Following that, you'll specify the job summary or description. This is where you concisely explain the reason for the service call. Be clear and thorough. Is it a leaky faucet? A malfunctioning AC unit? A furnace not igniting? The more detail you provide here, the better equipped your technician will be when they arrive on site. You can also add any notes about specific customer requests or access instructions. Then comes the heart of the matter: the preferred service date and time window. This is where you collaborate with the customer to find a suitable time. ServiceTitan's interface here is fantastic. It shows you available time slots, taking into account technician availability, existing appointments, and even travel time. You can choose a specific date and then a time window, such as 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. or 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. This flexibility is key to managing customer expectations and optimizing your technicians' routes. You'll also assign a business unit. If your company has different divisions, maybe plumbing and HVAC, this helps categorize the job and ensure it goes to the right team. This is particularly useful for larger organizations. Before you finalize, you'll have the option to add tags to the job. Think of tags as keywords that help you categorize and search for jobs later. For example, you might add a warranty tag, a high priority tag, or a tag for a specific marketing campaign. This level of organization is invaluable for reporting and analysis. Once all the essential information is entered, you'll click Save Job. Now, this job is officially created and will appear on your dispatch board. But we're not done yet. The job is on the board, but it hasn't been assigned to a technician. This is where the magic of ServiceTitan's visual dispatch board comes into play. You'll see your technicians listed, often with their current status and location if they're using the mobile app. The newly created job will typically appear in an unassigned section or highlighted, indicating it needs attention. To assign the job, it's often as simple as dragging and dropping the job onto the desired technician schedule. ServiceTitan is smart enough to show you if a technician is overbooked or if the travel time to the next job is unrealistic. It will even suggest the best technician based on their skill set, location, and availability. This drag-and-drop functionality makes reassigning jobs or handling last-minute changes incredibly easy. Once assigned, the job details are automatically pushed to the technician's mobile app. This is a game changer. They'll receive all the information you entered, customer details, job description, special instructions, directly on their device. No more fumbling with paperwork orders or calling the office for details. They can even navigate directly to the customer's location using the integrated mapping features. ServiceTitan also allows for advanced scheduling features. You can set up recurring appointments for maintenance contracts, ensuring you never miss a service call. You can also block out time for meetings, training, or personal appointments, ensuring your technician schedules are accurate and realistic. And if a customer calls to reschedule, it's a breeze to drag the job to a new time slot, and the system automatically updates everything. The beauty of ServiceTitan scheduling isn't just about putting appointments on a calendar. It's about optimizing your entire workflow. By centralizing all job information, providing real-time updates to technicians, and offering intuitive drag-and-drop functionality, it empowers your dispatchers to be more efficient, your technicians to be more productive, and your customers to be more satisfied. It transforms your dispatch board from a source of stress into a strategic tool for growth. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.